I never streamed it. Oops. Oops. What just hit target? Oh, RTY is 2 for 2 today. I keep messing up on my YouTube, for real. Look at Texas Sloth. $600, $200 on all of his accounts. K Lavender, 415. Thursday so far, Green Day, but we don't. He should pretty much be done for the day, honestly. BoldBot for the win, slow and steady. Market is moving up. Let's go.
Stop filled.
That was probably ES. RTY is 2 for 2.
Stop filled.
Ooh! Ooh! Look at this move. That was my NQ. I think most of you hit that NQ on that second one. I did not. I've been trying to tell you. $450 on this long, on the one that I'm testing. I gotta open my VPS. Trying to tell me what? About the... Were you trying to tell me about the YouTube? I apologize. I apologize. This looks good. Let's go.
Order submitted.
I got one. I bought more accounts last night. There we go.
Target filled.
$600 on this long. $600 on the long. Ooh, we got to my 32, y'all. Bought 2 more Apex accounts. Yeah, I bought 5 more. I got some 75Ks. I got some 50Ks. Or not. Same here. I got 550Ks and they just passed. Nice job. Nice job, buddy. See if we can get back above 32. This was one of my targets today. But I have a lot more. I have so many more targets today. Oh, I see what you're saying. 1 micro. Yeah, but you don't need more than 1 month. Like, you should be able to pass within 7 to 10 days, if not sooner. Especially because they're giving you, look at this run, y'all. Go, 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 go. $700 on this long, on 1 mini. Target is 57. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Where's my PA? There it is. And $300 on this long. $750 on the long. See, most people are 2 for 2 on NQ early. Some did not hit target. I was like 2 ticks away. I did not. What is the window to pass the evaluation? It's a 1-day window. You can pass today. If you buy an account right now and you YOLO the crap out of it and you trade it today, you can pass today. And that is through Sunday. So it's 90% off. 1-day evaluation pass. Look at this, Ron.
Order submitted. Redemption
is the answer. Let's go. See if we get above this 50. I mean, the time limit in general, like 15, what? No, that the time limit is literally 1 day. Normally it's 7 days. But they've been doing this 1 day pass a lot. If you buy your account and you pass any time from now until, well, I guess tomorrow's Friday, then you would have a PA immediately. You would have a PA, $800 on this long. You would have a PA immediately, and tonight they would send you a PA. That's the time.
Order canceled.
But $825 on this long. But what else is running here? Oh, $350 on the ES1 to $900 on this long. You guys, this is the new algo I am releasing very soon.
Target filled.
Target filled.
Target filled.
Target filled. $1,000 on one mini, $500 on micros. This is the new one. This is the one Rishi is like killing me for. What was that one? 67. Yeah, I'm getting my 18,000 today. We talked about this on the student call. This was the play. My ultimate goal today is 18,000 to a 5. Or are you saying holy shit to the new algo? Had to draw with my backup mouse. The new algo. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And the ES version is in a $500 long. No, this is the NASDAQ. We don't trade stocks. We trade futures only. Green all across the board. ES early had a loss, but that doesn't matter because we don't run it on Fridays. NQ early. Most people hit the second trade, as some people did not. The one I'm testing hit $1,000, just futures. And look, we're coming back. How perfectly after target hit. What a great day. You guys should see this. Oh. Yeah, I think that's right. Or I could have done 5. Oh, that's okay. I did 5 over here. NQ early first trade went in at what time? Are you in the group?
Stop filled.
It went in immediately. And it hit target immediately. Oh, that was probably the offset on ES. That's what that was. Well, I don't know. Some of these names I don't know. What? This is what are you talking about? It's so small. What do you mean? What are you talking about? Look, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Who names themselves Dutchy? That's fucking weird. No, we don't need to add those. Also, after this, I'm going to go play pickleball, per usual. No, I already have my pickleball outfit on. It's literally leggings and a t-shirt every day. And then, like, some type of a hoodie that I take off after warm-up. Sometimes I forget it. Hola. Yeah, I'm not sure why my analytics is not showing up on my YouTube, but that's fine. I have to wash my hair today or tomorrow to get some of this color out. Oh my gosh, look at the magic line touch. Do you see that? Do you see how perfect this is? This is what I'm talking about, Peter, and you're too busy talking about pickleball outfits. Do you see that? Do you see this touch? $8.90. It's like pure genius.
Order submitted.
All right, we'll go back over here to the Krause. I think it hit the offset. $6,000 after fees. Top is eval. I qualified in pre-market. Done. Taking the slippage victory and running. Nice job. Okay. Oh, wait. I put that in the wrong chat.
Connection.
Thankfully, I'm only in one trade, and it's RTY on Sim. Well, Peter, you literally have access to it. He wants his closet back, right? I know. You have access to it, so you can just have it up yourself. But you're too busy talking about the world coming to an end that you can't focus on trading. And then you're like, oh, why is my trading not as good as other people's? Does that sound like you? Or am I off? Bounced exactly from 90 back up at 17 now. 30 points off of that magic line bounce. Oh, James. James was the one that said the clothes look too small for me, and he was talking about these clothes, not the clothes I'm wearing. I was totally offended, and I blocked him, and he just messaged me, and he was like, you blocked me. He said I wasn't trying to be rude. Clearly, I get offended easily. I could probably work on that. What is your username? I will unblock you after this live. No. I made an office. Well, I guess if I go like this, it's fine. I made an office out of my son's closet. So this is my one screen. This is my second screen. And this is where I work. And I've been here for 4 years. But this is, look, I have BoldBot swag. This is the lanyard for the conference, and then I have the swag bags up there that I'm going to be taking and filling. So yeah, this is, I took over his closet. This is my new one. Do you like it? You don't like it? Yeah, it's an LG. I got it on Amazon. They're both LG, curved, 32 inches, something like that. Definitely not 37. I think I was looking at it, but it was just like too big. So I have two 32s side by side. Closet bot. I like that. But yeah, because again,
Stop filled.
I had to use RTY hit stop. That's fine. We don't run RTY today. I have, the internet was horrible. The Wi-Fi was horrible in the den where I had my initial setup. So then I moved in here and I've been here ever since. And I hard Ethernet. I use the Ethernet cord. And then I also have VPS for all of my trading stuff. So, and I like it. I come in here, I shut the door. I shut the door because like it gets really bright and cold if I have the door open. So I don't. And I have my little like notebooks and I have my calendar. And this is a stand-up desk. And then I have a walking treadmill behind me that I used for a bit. And then I stopped using it. I actually did it when I was trading sometimes where I would be like typing and walking and talking. And then it just got to be too much. It doesn't get hot if it does get hot in the summer, I could just open the door, but no. There's no windows in here, but there is a vent. There is a vent. So if like I have the air on, it still comes in here. All right, look at that, you guys. This bounce. This bounce from 90 to 33. 43 points on this move up. I'm going to make this a little bigger. Can you guys see the email? Yeah, you could hear the treadmill. It was just a lot. You know, I'm not boiling. It's 10:01. Oh, we also had some reports today. Oh, those went. Let's look at these results. NQ evening and MNQ early. Nice job. It's so hard with this double thing. Missed that second NQ. Oh, on the target. Got it, Jason. Danny, 6K after fees. Top is eval. I qualified in pre-market done. And then 2,800 for all of these. Loving this new NQ early setup. Nice job, Dennis. $300, $400 for Dennis. K Lavender. We already went through these. Perfect. $12 p.m. report middle impact. Nice. Yeah, I'm going to be at pickleball. I have to pick my dad up from the airport today at like 9 p.m., which is not ideal, but it's fine. I hardly ever have to pick him up, so. It's 10:03. I'll probably wrap it up at like 10:15. We've had a lot of great moves today, and we're done for the day anyway. There's no more algos that will run. Oh no. I think it hit the offset. What's up, L Boogie? Hey, how are you? You can get into settings and Wi-Fi and set up just to be modem and buy your own Wi-Fi. Yeah, I'm sure. But I'm not getting into all that. I like the VPSs are good for me and I can see them on the go. And then my internet now, when I'm hooked up to the router or whatever it's called, the Ethernet cord, I have no problems with it. And actually, even my Wi-Fi personally in the house doesn't give me issues like it used to. Like my TV used to not connect to the internet, and now it's fine. So, what's up? It's 10:04. Oh. It went away. I don't know what to do now. I'm just going to have to turn it around, I think. Flip. Okay. All right, we'll look at this for the rest of the time. If you want more information on the auto trading algorithms, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. How's the testing going? The testing is good. $350 on this NQ setup. $350 so far on the day. It made 600 yesterday, but I think it lost 600 on Tuesday. So $350 today. This new NQ Waves did really well 2 days ago, like $1,300, and then yesterday was red $300. Yesterday was a funky day. Like, it was really a funky day. Time to go to work. Have a good day. Thanks, Gage. You too. Have a good one. Be safe. ES Night Zones was a win for $250. That's down here. NQ Night was a win over here. Again, that NQ early, I was 1 for 2. Most people seem like they were 2 for 2. But some of us were definitely just 1 for 2, which stinks. Thankfully, I had that one that I'm testing also on my live account, so that helped. It is 10:06. If you guys have any questions, please put them in the chat. The student play today was the long out of here. Potentially, because if we didn't get the move back, then I said, you could take this long here, whatever. So if you did, that ran up 60 points, 50 points. So congrats to anyone that had that. But if you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30. Jen will be live today from 2 to 3 p.m. And then Kyle will be live from 6 to 9 p.m. And Will probably be live from 4 to 5 p.m. So we got a whole group going live, okay? Everyone in the group. Also, Apex is doing a 90% sale. It's only until Sunday? Yeah, the 25th. 90% off. And 1-day evaluation pass. So you could buy it right now and pass today, and then you'll have a PA by tonight. Good. Good job, Andon. But yeah, what's happening here? Sometimes there are losses. What is the win rate overall of the bots? Yeah, Richard, that's a great question. So it depends on the bot, honestly, because I have a wide variety of bots. So, I hate when I do that. Sorry. So if we're talking about something like NQ, the win rate is really high because the target is pretty small. So the win rate is like 90 to 95% over the last 14 months. But then if you look at something like, I don't know, ES is probably pretty good too. And NQ day zones, I don't know, these are probably in the 70s. And then the NQ afternoon waves, I need to actually put this on waves. That's really good, but it has 1 or 2 days that are not great, and so we just avoid trading them. But overall, most of the algorithms are pretty high. Most of them are at least 70% or higher, and then the range ones, which are the conservative algos, which you get when you first join, they are like 85 to 95%. I hope that helps. And then we can even make that better. So like the percentages that I'm giving you are based on running them every single day during the times that we run them, which I'm not going to mention, but if you run them every single day, then say, okay, it's 88%. But then something like RTY, like let me show you RTY. RTY is a no for today. So it had 2 wins, but then it had a $200 loss. So RTY is now red on the day, but that red day or that loss of a win is part of that 88%, but it's not part of our overall win rate because we're not running it today. Does that make sense? Yes, the bot is still 1K. $1,000 if you are not a new member. If you're new, then it's $500 for
Order submitted.
for 21 days, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. Correct. And then the premium algorithms, which, let's talk about the premium algos really quickly. It's insane how much money they make. Like, it's really crazy. It's only $500 more per month, but the week of 128, they made $7,000. The week of 2/4, they made $2,000. The week of 2/11, which was last week, they made $4,790. And Friday was red 2K, so it's like before Friday, you were green like 7K on the week. This week so far, we're green $1,145. Can a new member step right into premium? Yes, you can. So you can go right into premium if you want. Just email us and say that, and then Amy will give you the proper link. Because if you use the trial link, then we're going to have to like cancel that and give you a new link. So just email boldbotllc@gmail.com and say, hey, I want to sign up. I'm new, but I want to go right into premium. You can do that. Did they change their policy? Which policy?
Order canceled.
Who? Oh, I blew an account and canceled the account and tried to buy another and it says payment failed. Where? Are you talking about Apex, James? No, you can buy as many accounts as you want. Maybe check your CVV code or something like that. It's 90% off through Sunday. We have to let everyone know because they haven't done 90% since before Christmas. I think the last 90% was around Thanksgiving. Oh, it must be an Apex issue. Texas just said it happened to him too. Yeah, maybe just give it a minute. Maybe try a different internet browser, like maybe use your cell phone instead of your home computer. You know, maybe these things with the internet being funky and or the cell phones being funky, maybe that's an issue. Some good fills, apparently NQ new early and some NQ old early with a modified TP. Nice job, Dan. Beautiful stuff. What a great Thursday. All right, it is 10:12. So yeah, so 90% off. And if you like bust the account and need to reset it, I think the resets are 80% off. And if you are in the account for more than 30 days as an eval, you will be charged only 80%, only 20%. So it's 80% off for any additional months. And it's a 1-day eval. So you could buy an account right now for like $18, do like a YOLO, and you can have a PA tonight. That's what people did. Use the code. What code is that, Jen? Is that Irma's code? Or is that yours? Someone else's? But the coupon code is save now, unless we have to use that one. Okay, Apex posted that the accounts could be delayed due to the outage. Will that 90% off continue every month? So I just went over that, Baha. It will be 80% in following months. But again, you shouldn't need more than 30 days to pass an evaluation account. You should not need more than 30 days. The algorithms that we use, the setups that we're running, we can pass easily within 7 to 10 days. Business days. So, like 2 weeks. But if for some reason you need more than 30 days, it will be 80% off for the months after the first month. But again, once you get a PA, you no longer pay monthly. You only pay when you're in the evaluations section. So when you're still in evaluation, it's every 30 days they'll charge you. But most people pass within 30 days. And with them doing the 1-day evaluation pass, if you get an account today and you pass today, you will have a PA tonight. If you get an evaluation tomorrow and you pass tomorrow, or if you have one right now and you're almost at target and you get to target tomorrow, then they will give you a PA tomorrow night. Can I purchase multiple Apex accounts at the same time? No. This is an Apex thing. You have to purchase each account separately, one at a time. I know it's quite annoying, but they want you to agree to the terms and services. And I think just the way that their system is set up, they all have to be individualized. I'm not sure what's going on. Oh, now Ninja's having connection issues. We should maybe, I'm going to make an announcement. So you can purchase as many Apex accounts as you want. You're allowed to have 20 PAs total. So what some people do is they'll buy 30 evals, and then if they pass 20, they'll keep the other 10 kind of just like in their bank if they bust one, because again, the 90% off is the biggest sale. And we haven't had a 90% off since like Thanksgiving. It was before Christmas. So interesting. Yeah, I'm done for the day with those connection issues. Yeah, everyone should be done. We should be done anyway because on Thursday there's no later setups, but we should be done anyway because 2 omelets for me. Nice job. Sorry, I'm telling folks just to be aware of the outage and stuff. Alright, I was running some premium settings, but I'm turning them off. Yeah, I probably would too. It's just, it seems a little fishy. They're trying to get things. Sorry, I'm posting this in the announcements. Okay, cool. Will, bada bing, bada boom. Nice job, Will. Will be live later today. Can you work this setup in the evening if you currently have a day job? Yes. Everyone in my group has a day job. Over 200 members that use my algorithms have day jobs. That is totally normal. You turn it on before you go to bed at night. So you can turn it on as early as 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but you could also turn it on at midnight Eastern Standard Time. Okay, William is the only one that doesn't have a job. And redirected. Redacted. Doesn't have. I hate you guys. But yes, most people in my group have a 9 to 5. Some work in the field. I have tractor trailer drivers. I have teachers. I have people that are just busy, busy, busy. A lot of business owners. So yes, make sure you email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Apex is doing a 90% sale that ends on Sunday. So make sure you go buy as many accounts as you want or you can afford, and then you can put them on the bot and let them trade for you. I've noticed I can't buy any funded accounts from Apex. Okay, so yes, this should not be a student conversation. That should be an Apex conversation in the Apex chat.
Order submitted.
Kyle, I need... The truckers on the student call always worry me. Yeah, because they're like driving. And just email me to join boldbotllc@gmail.com. If I sign up for the premium algos, do I get the regular algos also? Yes, that's a great question. So if you are a premium member, you get all of the premium algos and all of the standard algos. So it's like 7 total. Correct. Some of us are retired from our day job and enjoy our hour and a half on BoldBot. Listen, Dennis, I love it. I love when you guys can hang out with me. And then we should all go play pickleball together, okay? I have to also pick up a Target order. Who wants to do that for me? I need to put tissue paper. There's a birthday party this weekend. I already have the gift, and I already have it in a bag. I just need to put tissue paper. Oh, and I need to get him a card. I need to get the little boy a card. So I'll have to do that today. All right, it's 10:20. YM Santa is green $600 today. That's awesome. Yeah, YM Santa has been really doing well. Who said it to me the other? I think Kyle. Kyle was like, oh, 1,300 yesterday, 600 the day before, 700 the day before. I'm like, why haven't you said anything to me? Literally, you said nothing. Do you have Telegram? No, I only have Slack, and you are only invited into Slack when you sign up for the program. Like, it's not a free platform. This is the only place that I will show the algorithms or talk about the algorithms outside of my email. If you want to email me, we can have discussions there. I do not have a Telegram. I do not have a WhatsApp. I do not DM people on TikTok. So if someone is trying to impersonate me, it's not me. I will only converse with you via email or here on the live stream. Jen can talk about the product. She's in the group. Will can talk about the product. He's in the group. Kyle can talk about the product because he's in the group. But none of them have a WhatsApp. None of them have a Telegram. So it's always going to be an email conversation. That's it. What's the difference between premium and standard? Yeah, that's a really good question. So the standard algorithms are more straightforward, kind of, if you want to call basic. They're just a little more, and they're more conservative. They don't go on these huge runs that the premium algorithms do. The premium algorithms are more robust. They trade more hours of the day. They have more setups in general, and they just make a lot more money. So this is a standard algorithm as well as scalper. Bold zones is premium. Bold waves is premium. Bold line is premium. And then bold LIS I don't have up. That's premium. Bold LIS was 2 for 2 last night. Zones was 1 for 1 last night. Like, all of this was happening, and the standard members didn't have any trades. And I'm not like excluding people, but it doesn't trade at that time of the night. And we were already like 2 for 2 or 3 for 3 by 8 p.m. on the premium algos last night. Then overnight, the standard algos did have 2 wins. So all right, I'm going to wrap it up. Kyle, say hello so people can follow you. Kyle is in the chat. I love Vegas and the Cubs, also known as futures trader. He will be live from 6 to 9 p.m. tonight. Jen will be live from 2 to 3 p.m. this afternoon. And then will most likely be live from 4 to 5. That seems to be the time that he likes. You know, since he doesn't have a